Hello everyone. Today your chapter is chapter number 6, adding greater number. I will give you introduction of the chapter. You all know the addition. For addition, I told you you can use the fingers to add. You can use the fingers or you can draw the lines like this, then add by the line, or you can add in the number lines. I told you already these methods. Now if you add 0 to any of the number, it becomes the number itself. Okay, so 11 plus 0 is 11, and if you add 10, then you just add 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 0 will be like this only. If you add 4 to 16, after 16 you count 4 like this: 17, 18, 19, 20. So this way you can add this. After 8 you count 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so it becomes 15. And if you want to add 1, you just next number, that is 20. This is actually the horizontal addition in the line. Now we can add in vertically also in the columns. So 3 plus 1, after 3 you count 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Or you can open 3 fingers first and then 1 more, it becomes 4. And if there is single 4, you bring it down. And same way 6 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is, after 4 you count 2, 5, 6. So it is 2, and 6 will be here. Here 4 plus 1, after 4 1 more, 5. And here 6 plus 3, after 6 you count 3, 7, 8, 9. So the answer will be 9. So same way you can do other part this side. 4 parts for you. Now the next is, now you can write these all in the notebook, and this page we will discuss when 110 page we will see in the book. Now you come to the book side. If you see page number 105, you can see the addition 6 plus 6. After 6 you count 6 more, or you can make 6 more lines: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is another way. After 6 you count them: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. Or you can do in the finger. After 6 you can add 7. 6 and 7 is 13. Again 7 lines or 7 fingers. Okay, so 7 plus 7 is, after 7 you count 7 more lines: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So last is 7 plus 8 is 15. So any way you can draw the lines, or you can use the finger. Better method, you just use the finger. The next is downside, 3 plus 1. After 3 count 1 more: 3 plus 1, 4, and 1 will be as it. 5 plus 3, after 5 you count 3 more: 6, 7, 8. The answer will be, here it is 8, and 1 will come down. 8 plus 1, next 8, 1, 9, and 1 will come down. Last part 2 plus 2, after 2 count 2, 3, 4. So it is 4, 1 will be down. So this way you can do all these parts. Now we will start the addition in next page number 106. 106 or 107 we will see directly. See, they are saying remember to begin from the bigger number. You can start the addition with the bigger. This 5 is bigger number. 5 plus 3, after 5 you count 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can write 8 here, and 4 will be as it. Same way, next is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, after 8 you 8 in mind and 2 in the finger. After 8 you count 2 more: 9, 10. Okay, or you can do 78. You can do, now you don't know the carry one, so directly also you can do, just circle 78 and add 2. After 78 count 2 more: 79, 80. So it will be 80. Same way the next downside I will do. Last part you can do yourself. 90 is there. After 90 you count 2: 91, 92, 92. This is 77 plus 1. Next number 78. 59 plus 2, 60, 61. So this way you can do. Now this is the addition on the number strip. Okay, you have to see the number strip and add. Just like first is 35 plus 4. So you can circle 35 here. Okay, then 4, go 4 steps forward: 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the use of strip. So you reached at 39. So your answer is 39. 28 plus 2, you just circle 28, go 2 step forward here, so you reached at 30. Same way 30 plus 8, circle 30 and go 8 step forward, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you will reach at 38. So this way you can use the strip. Next 3 parts you can do yourself. And next on the same page is 65 plus 5. 65 is here and go 5 steps forward, 1 2 3 4 5. See, you will reach at 70. Same way 70 plus 4, 70, you just see 70 and go 4 steps forward, 1 2 3 4, you will reach at 74. So the answer is 74. So this way you can do the other parts. Now we'll go to page number 108. 109 directly. There is a exercise 6a, addition. Now I'm telling you the finger method again. 4 plus 1. After 4, 1 more. 5 and 7 will come down as it. 6 plus 3. After 6, 3 more. 7, 8, 9. 9 will be here and 8 will come down. 7 plus 2. First you keep in your mind 7. Okay, greater number. And 2 more. 8, 9. So 9 here. And 4 will come down as it. 7 plus 2. After 7 you count 2 again. 8, 9. So it is 9 here and 6 will be here. Same way you can do other parts. Now let's go for second question. 0 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number or 0 and 0, the answer will be 0. And here it is 4 plus 3. After 4 you count 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So it is 7. Same way here 0 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So this way you can do all the parts of question number 2. Now let's go for question number 3. If you see here 7 plus 2. After 7 you count 2. After 7 you count 2. 8, 9. Okay, and 4 plus 3. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3. After 4, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 5 in mind, then 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 1, 4 in mind and 1 more. 4 plus 1, 5. Again 4 plus 1, 5. Here 4, 5 plus 4. After 5 you count 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 9. And here 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. 79. So this way you can do other parts at this side. It's easy. Just keep the larger number in your mind and count the small. After that you count the smaller number as in the finger as I shown you. Now these are the questions on page number 110. Word problem. School picnic at the beach. First question is students in at the picnic. 23 girls are there, 25 boys are. How many students in all? In the book they have written 23 plus 25, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, and here you can write 48. But I am suggesting you to do these questions in the notebook like this. You have to write first number of girls in the notebook. You have to do number of girls 23, number of boys 25. Just then add 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, and 2 plus 2, 4. And here the second part is, you can see the second part in the book, juice packets carried. Okay, there are 21 orange juice packet, and this one another type of the packet is apple juice packets are 30. So we can write here the statement like this: number of orange juice packet 21, number of apple juice packet 30, total packets in all. Just add 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 51. Same way. Next question is for the cells. There are two types of the cell in the question. If you see, number of first type of the cells are 48, number of second type of the cell are 51. Like this we can write in the notebook. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is also 9. You can count in the finger. Or next, there are two types of the toy. First type of the toy are 23, second type of the toys are 21. Total toys you can add, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is also 4. So total toys are 4. Now first type of there are two types of the building made. So first type of the building, number of first type of buildings are 25, number of second type of the building are 30. Total shapes of the building made is 5 plus 0 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. It is 55. So children, these questions you have to do in the notebook. You can pause the video and write, and you can practice again the same type of questions in your page number this one 110. Okay, there is no need to write the statement. Already they have given the space also to add it. So do these all statements in the notebook and practice the same questions in the book. So you can pause to see the page. Now we will start the last, that is chapter checkup of this chapter. In this chapter checkup, you can see the first they have given. First question is use the first number to add this one. 8 plus 8 is, 8 plus 8 is 16 and 8 plus 9 is 17. And here this is same we have discussed already. 67 plus 5, you can circle 67 and go 5 to 1 2 3 4 5 stack forward, so you reach at 72. So the answer is 72. Same way you can do other parts. And this fourth question is easy. 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 2 is 6. So now there is one more question or word problem, that is question number 5. They are saying 25 children in one verse, 32 children in another verse. How many children in both? In both means how many total are there. In all, when they say, then it means total. Just add 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, so 57 are total. Clear? So this way you can do, but this question you have to write again in the notebook. I will show you the page again. Like this you can write. Children in one verse 25, children in second verse 32. Total children are, you can see, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5, 57. So this way you can do this fifth question of chapter checkup also in the notebook. I will show you again these word problems. So you can do this way. Your chapter is over. You can do the next two pages yourself. So next is your page number 112. It is simple addition. You can do yourself. Add, find the smallest sum, okay, and then join the dots. They are saying join the dots in increasing order. When you add all these, then you have to start from the smallest answer, whatever smallest answer. Then you have to go for the next addition, next addition, next addition. Like that, it will give you a shape that you can see. Increasing order you have to join. Join the dots. Joins increasing order of answers. When you do like this and join the dots like this, it will give you some shape that you can do. So this is all about your chapter number 6. Thank you. Do it. Practice addition daily 5 questions that benefits you.